Hi, I'm Sam Rotberg, one of the directors of Alexander Spencer. Our practice has been around since 1952, long-standing practice till now obviously. I joined the practice in 1983 and practice has grown quite a bit to a size of about 35 staff. We started using BGL in the mid-90s, using CAS as our desktop practice for corporate compliance, and about 3 years ago we moved to the cloud, where we both use Simple Fund and CAS 360 for our corporate compliance and superannuation work. Being in the cloud has made life a lot easier for us, both internally for our staff, as well as being more efficient for our clients and being able to get back to them with up-to-date data. We've been with BGL now since the 90s, and originally as a desktop client, and we moved to the cloud around 2 to 3 years ago. Transition to the cloud was quite an easy process. We had a great admin team here working together with BGL to make sure the processes went through smoothly, and we've been loving the cloud ever since. Probably the obstacles were just learning new processes and new ways of doing things, but realistically we were moving lots of other areas to the cloud as well, so it was just another stepping stone in that transition with technology. So cloud innovation for us has allowed us to be more up to date with clients, allow us to process things more efficiently and quickly, and being able to get back to clients a lot quicker with more up to date information. Yeah, so outsourcing for us is a way of obviously getting a little bit of cheaper labour, allowing our junior accountants to be able to have more responsibility and being able to delegate work to those people, and again allowing our systems improvements as well to be pushed a bit more, because we were forced into videoing our processes as well as improving our work papers and other processes. So I actually originally went to the outsourcing conference a bit over 12 months ago, tried to find out from current users as to what they thought was working well, what didn't work well, if they had their time again, how would they do things differently. So in order for me to try and learn from them before we started our process. So having Superfund 360 now allows us to have more regular input of data, allows us to process things quicker, which means that we can actually get back to clients more efficiently, which they prefer, because especially the clients who are in a refund situation like pension clients, they want their refunds as soon after the end of the financial year as possible. It has to a certain extent, because we're probably having to ask for less paperwork. We know what we need from clients in order to complete the jobs, and so generally just a more efficient way of being able to process internally as well as providing data back to the clients. The beauty of having both CAS 360 and Superfund 360 is that you're only updating a database once. So when there's a change of address of a client, there's a change of an email address of a client or a mobile phone number of a client, it's done a once-off process, and then whatever needs to be updated gets updated automatically. We installed DocuSign to our practice near on 2 years ago now, both for Superfund, CAS, as well as other accounting operations. It's allowed signatures to be received back from clients more efficiently, which allows lodgement to be done more efficiently. Clients who get their refunds, obviously they're getting their refunds more quickly, and they get an automated copy of their documentation electronically. So with CAS 360, it all gets processed by DocuSign and sent out to clients on an email, and as well as any reminder requirements from a point of view of either returning a signed document, whether it's for reminding them to pay an ASIC fee, that all gets done electronically by email.